Manufacturing Awards sponsored by JTL, one of the largest work-based learning providers in England and Wales, working with over 8,000 learners and over 3,800 businesses, from large corporations to small local suppliers in the building, service, engineering sector.
And to present the award category on behalf of JTL, please can we have Julie Asher-Smith on stage, please?
Hey, and while she makes her way, let's take a look at the shortlist.
The Engineering and Manufacturing Apprentice finalists are Ayman Fatima of the University of Manchester, Asiba Safi of Mott MacDonald, Beverly Ngo of Jaguar Land Rover, Harshani Danda of Rolls-Royce, Imran Ali of Severn Trent, Joseph Sebastine of Dyson Technology, Kale Shoka of Devon County Council, Morgan Kasira of GSK, Parris Small of Jaguar Land Rover, and Tej Naidu of BAE Systems.
Now this was a very tough category for the judges, and they were particularly impressed with the number of females that were shortlisted in this. However, there can only be two highly commended apprentices, and they are Asiba Safi of Mott MacDonald and Beverly Ngo of Jaguar Land Rover.
Well done to you guys. Well done, Beverly and Asabi. Now, Julie, can you tell us who our winner is, please?
Okay, so the winner of the Engineering and Manufacturing Apprentice category is Parris Small of Jaguar.
Come on. Well done, Parris. Well done, Parris. After missing her required A-level grades to go to university, but by just 3 marks, Parris felt like her life was over, as the only pathway to being perceived successful in life was going to university. Whilst retaking her A-level, she discovered degree apprenticeships and was shocked to learn how much they offered despite them not being widely known or discussed. Now in the final year of her software engineering degree apprenticeship at Jaguar Land Rover, can line me up a little drive around, yeah? All right, Parris has been given, now you got to stay there, you got to blush. Parris has been given the opportunity to lead a team tasked with developing a new charging feature for electric vehicles. I spun me, yeah, that sounds good enough. She's a strong believer in everything happening for a reason and has made it a mission of hers to educate as many people about apprenticeships as possible and tackle the gender and racial disparity in STEM industries. Make some noise for Parris, people. Well done.
Congratulations once again to Parris.